my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is the very first time you are stopping by in my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a dental plaque treatment, a treatment that would help you remove dental tartar or cavity. All right, this treatment is just going to do that for you. And also it is also not good for everybody though. The ingredients in it are very much natural. They will do the job. It is recommended that when you do this treatment, when you use this on your teeth, you have to do that once in a week, and you are going to see a great result. All right, so if you want to know what comprises of my dental plaque treatments, please continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. I'm gonna be leaving the link down below, and I'm going to be pinning it down there so you're gonna see it. All right, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All right, let's dive into this video. For the dental plaque remedy, which would rapidly help you to remove dental plaque, will be baking soda. Now, as much as we know, baking soda contains a whitening agent that helps to whiten up the skin. It also helps to remove pigmentation, pimples, and all manner of blemishes on the skin. It also very important and very good for the teeth, because it helps to whiten up the teeth, remove bacteria. And as much as this is really good to use on the teeth, you should use it once in 1 week. Okay, once in a week will be okay, and preferably you shouldn't use it more than that. The next ingredients we're going to be using, obviously, toothpaste. Now you can actually use any toothpaste you have at the comfort of your home. All right, but I have Colgate right now, and that's why I'm using Colgate. And you also have to use white toothpaste, which helps to whiten up the teeth, because in some toothpaste it leaves the teeth looking brownish and all of that. Okay, and the next ingredient we're going to be needing, which is really very helpful for this dental plaque, is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to remove tartar, tooth decay, and dental plaque. It also helps to whiten up the teeth, leaving the teeth looking sparkle and crystal clear. And it also helps for the gum, but it should be used on the teeth once in a week. Just once in a week will be okay. All right, and the next ingredients we're going to be needing for tooth whitening is coconut oil. Now I actually made this coconut oil myself at the comfort of my home, and I left it on fire and it was looking brownish. Well, you can actually make your own coconut oil yourself. Coconut oil is really good. It is perfect to use on the teeth because it helps to remove bacteria, leaving your teeth looking white, and it also helps to control bad odor. Using coconut oil alongside with baking soda and also apple cider vinegar will leave your teeth looking white, and you're not going to have bad breath anymore. So if you're actually having bad breath, this remedy for dental plaque will help you so much. All right, so let's go preparing all our ingredients together. And we're gonna be needing a little tiny bowl. Then we're gonna be taking in 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Then we're gonna put that into the bowl, close the baking soda and set it aside. Then we're just going to press in the toothpaste. Now you shouldn't press too much, you can press in just for one use. Alright, and then we're just going to liquidify this baking soda and toothpaste by putting in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, you're gonna see the reaction now. This is always the reaction that baking soda and apple cider vinegar gives. Okay, and then we're going to be putting in the coconut oil, which is very important. Now this coconut oil helps to make the treatment mild, and we're going to be putting half teaspoon. All right, you don't need too much of the coconut oil though. Put that in, close this, and set it aside. Alright, so now we have to mix our home remedy for dental plaque, and you have to mix it very well. Okay, so you can have a good consistency. Alright, so it's gonna be looking somewhat like this. When you put in the apple cider vinegar, it's gonna change the color of the baking soda to off-white, which is what I'm having, and which is actually really good. I'm gonna be setting this aside for demonstration. Okay, hi guys, so here is my dental plaque remedy, and you're gonna be needing a brush to brush out those dental plaque, and then you're going to scoop out this much. Okay, you have to scoop out much, and then you have to brush everything. Now if you have dental plaque is one thing that's actually very embarrassing, so help yourself out with this natural home remedy. So what you're going to do, you're going to let me show you. All right, you're going to start by brushing the front side of your teeth, and then you're going to go inside. Or let's do that. Alright, so you're going to brush the under part of your teeth this way, under here, and then the upside like that, and then this side and this side. Okay, so you're going to take more of the paste, and then you're going to take it in. Now the most important thing in brushing the teeth is the tongue. You have to make sure that your tongue is clean, so you have to brush really well. Okay, after which you've actually brushed your old teeth. Now your tongue has to be clean, because if your tongue is not clean, you're not going to have a fresh breath. I mean, your mouth is still going to be smelling. Okay, so let's brush the tongue. Also, if you're brushing your tongue, you have to brush from deep inside. Okay, you open up your mouth like this, and then you brush like. Now after which you brush your tongue, you can go rinse this off. You don't leave this treatment on your teeth for so long. Immediately you're done brushing, you have to go wash it off. Alright, and do not use this treatment more than once in a week. If you're actually using it once in a week, it's going to be very helpful for your tooth decay, your dental plaque, your dental tartar, and the bad breath. So I'll go wash off my mouth, and I'll be right back. That's how you're just that is just a step in which you are going to get a sparkling white crystal clear teeth. Alright, this treatment is gonna work for you, but it is also not for everybody. Okay, so if you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.